Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on tools, parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW X3, X4, that generation that you see right here from year 2010 to year 2018. If you need to find where the engine, computer, fuses and relays are located, where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. Why guys, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, bodywork, a little bit of everything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, we're going to put links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out, that way do not waste your money guys. Also, we will have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out guys. We'll have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs as well. So let's start on it now. So guys, this BMW has many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know that they even exist. You have up to 5 or 6 different fuse boxes, and for many of you, okay, some of those are special fuse boxes, kind of like this one here. If you don't know about them guys, we'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on BMW X3, X4. Check it out, it can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So for the engine, computer, which fuses and relays we need to check, we will demonstrate on this BMW X3, X4 guys. X3 and X4, they're built on the same platform, so it should work for both. Now we will be working multiple fuse boxes. Some are extremely hidden. The first one that we need to check, open the passenger door, open the glove box, empty your glove box, because you will need to get to the very back. On the right side here you have a cover, press that tab, pull that cover out. Behind it you have a fuse box with a layout that will look like this one. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let us tell you guys why it's super important to test fuses and relays. Fuses guys sometimes are really hard to know if they're burnt or not. For instance, I'm going to pull one fuse here, okay, and sometimes you cannot clearly see if they're good, they're bad. And let's say you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up having problems again, and you spend time, money, you buy parts, diagnostics, you pay for services that you don't need guys. You practically wasted your money. So all you have to do, check your fuses, that way you don't waste money guys. So always test your fuses, even if you think it's good, always test it. It even happened to us guys, okay, and we work on cars all the time. Another thing, always test your relays. They're a little bit harder to test, but if you want to see guys how to test fuse relays, we will put a link in the description of the video below. But we've seen so many customers that think that they have a good fuse, they put it back in, they waste their money on parts and diagnostic that they practically guys do not need. So check out the link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse and how to test the relay as well. Here guys, what we need to check, one fuse, then we need to go to a different fuse box and check a few more things. Let's zoom in, we'll come to that lower section here, and the fuse that we need to check here is known as fuse number 35, 15 amp fuse. We're talking about that fuse right there. After that guys, open the trunk, remove that cover, leave that insulation up. Behind it you have another fuse box, and if you zoom in here, okay, we need to check 3 more fuses, then we need to go to a special place and check a few more. Now here guys, we will need to check fuse number 131 guys. So 131, if you don't have it, don't freak out, it's okay. Some fuses you will have, some will not, because depending on the model and build and all that stuff. 132 you may have right here, and then you need to check fuse number 143, which will be, okay, that's 142, 43, that fuse, important fuse right here. Check that relay here. Okay, you have a few hidden relays, one here, one there, and if you go back to the previous fuse box, check that relay there as well. But now guys, okay, here you want to check also some fuses in the trunk. Leave that cover up. Underneath you have the storage tray, remove it and you get to the car battery. On top of it, that's a fuse box. If you have problems with engine computer, open that fuse box. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 fuses that will need to be checked as well. Next guys, here on the passenger side, here next to the windshield, remove that cover. Underneath is the cabin air filter. As you can see, next to it you have a fuse box. That's one here. If you remove it, it looks like this one. This one needs to be tested. Another one on the same thing on the driver's side. If you remove that cover, you will get to the brake fluid reservoir, and next to it you have a white cover with a clip. Remove the clip, pull the cover out, and you have that fuse box right here. Now this one is non-serviceable, it looks like this one, but we have opened them in the past. We'll have a video on the channel how to do that. Underneath, those are engine management fuses. Those are the most important fuses for your BMW engine management. So all this will need to be checked, and these relays right here guys, those are the ones that you will need to check if you have problems with the engine computer. So guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays for your BMW at a good price, quick shipping guys, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from, because you have very specific fuses, especially these little fuse boxes guys. Those could be really hard to find. You can see like the one right here as well guys, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping as well. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.